Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I am Rachel. If you are new, welcome. And if you are returning, welcome back. Thank you so much for clicking on the video. I hope you subscribe to my channel if you are not subscribed, and turn on your post notification bell so you never miss any of my videos. So this is my very small CVS haul. Most of you know this is not the usual CVS haul for me because I get tons and tons of CRTs. But for some reason, I have not been getting any, along with many other people. I received, I believe, 5 CRTs, which are very generic. So I'm rambling, and I don't like to talk a whole lot in my videos. I just like to show you what I did. So, okay, guys, we are at CVS. We got a few CRTs, so I'm gonna go inside and see how many deals we can do today. Okay, so I started getting a handful of CRTs, which they're not good ones at all. So the first deal I'm doing this week is the L'Oreal Everpure. It's spend 10, get a $5 extra care buck at my store. It's priced at $8.29. I am picking up 2, which is going to be $16.58 for both. I'm going to use a 5 off of 2 coupon I printed from coupons.com. There is also a 5 off of 2 digital that is glitching and coming off together. I'm going to pay $6.58, getting $5 back, making the final cost $1.58 for both. Okay, so the next deal we're doing is the Nivea. This week it's buy 2, get a $5 extra care buck, and the 8.4 ounces, they are $5.99. I am picking up 2, which is going to be $11.98. I'm going to use a 3 off of 10 lotion CRT, a $2.50 printable from coupons.com, as well as a $2.50 digital. I'm going to pay $3.98, getting that $5 back, making them both free and a $1.02 moneymaker. Okay, so the next deal we're doing is a freebie this week. So the Shore deodorant is on sale for $2, and when you buy 1, you get a $2 extra care buck back, making it completely free. You can only do this deal one time, once per store card. So make sure you pick up your free deodorant this week. Okay, so on to the household deal. I feel like I haven't done this in forever at CVS. So it's spend 20, get $5 back. And the Persil is included, and they're priced at $4.99 this week. I am picking up 2 of the liquid and 2 of the pods. So for all 4, it's going to be $19.96. I'm going to use 4 of the $2 coupons that expired on the 31st. I did this deal yesterday, and my store accepts expired coupons. So I'm going to pay $11.96, getting that $5 extra buck back, making the final cost just $6.96 for all 4 products, which is not too bad because Persil is pretty high, coming from $8.59 to $6.96 for 4. Okay, so the first transaction, I did the Nivea, the Shore deodorant, and the L'Oreal. Everything came off perfectly fine. I used $12 in extra care buck back, and I got $12 back. Now, for the Persil transaction, I did that by itself. Again, I used $12 in extra care buck, getting $5 back, making the final cost just $7 for 4. I had a bunch of extra bucks that were expiring, so I had to use them up this week. Okay, guys, so I received my papers today, and this is what it looks like. So, there's no need for me to keep all of this. Now, I'm being honest with you. If this was a week that we were getting gain, I'm sorry, but I'm going to keep them all. I'm kidding. But this is a whole lot, and I cannot use all of these papers. So I want to give some of these to you guys. So I'm going to give, I can't even, I don't know how many is in here. So I'm guessing about 5 or 10 per person, maybe 5 people. So if you want to enter the giveaway, to get some coupons. I'm going to mail them out in the morning. So I'm going to have to like choose somebody really quickly and mail them out tomorrow, and then I'll just insert the winners in my next video. So I'm going to announce the winner of the gift cards in a second. So please, if you want to enter the giveaway for the coupons, be subscribed to my channel and comment down below. Just say anything. It doesn't matter. I use a random comment picker. And yeah, I'll ship these out in the morning. So comment down below. Thumbs up the video. All right. Let me announce the giveaway of my gift card. Okay, guys. Good luck, everyone. Let's see. Okay, so Cali Mama Couponer, you can email me, or email me and I can email you your gift card, and let's pick another winner. Miss Andrea, thank you so much for your comments. Email me so you can claim your $10 gift card. So that is, that's the both winners, guys. The two winners, I should say. This is my CVS haul. I explained all the deals in the video. Everything here cost me $4 because I'm going to get a $3 beauty buck back. So $4 divided by 9 items. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So it's going to be 44 cents. 44 cents per item. And I did the deals on both of my cards. So 44 cents. I did not show my receipt in the clips, so I'm going to show them to you really quickly. So I did the Shore and 2 of the Nivea, the L'Oreal. I handed over the paper coupon, the digital glitched as well, and my 3 off of 10 hand and body lotion, 56 cents. I used $6 of, not 6, I'm sorry. I used $12 in extra bucks, 56 cents plus taxes, which I put on a gift card. And I did receive my $12 back, making the first transaction completely free on both of my cards. Like I said, I have 2 cards, so I double my transactions up. This is the Persil. I used those $2 coupons. I used $12 in extra bucks. Well, $5.96 on the one, but $12 in extra bucks. Paid the taxes, and I got that $5 extra buck back. So this is all. That's it for me. I wanted to get one of the eye drops, the Renew eye drops, but my store was completely out. So I'll try later on in the week and see if they have any. Okay, guys, so this is everything I picked up at CVS this week. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.